我想飞冲天，世界无极的誓言的誓言，我要飞破天，看破以前所有讨厌的讨厌，跟着我一起来
Let's fly high
Don't be scared, I got you
想来就快
一瞬间你我就飞起来 We fly
放开我所有
Get me alive
我们无法
会有尽头
Hi, I'm Carson. I'm from Macau, and I'm an actor, now singer.
Hello, I'm NewNew. My Korean name is Oooooh Park. So basically, I'm Korean. But some people think that I'm kind of mixed or something because I look mixed. I don't know.
Set me free 你我两个人不能缺一 Birds are singing loud Tell me if you see my eyes on you My eyes on you
Inspiration behind the lyrics for the song really came from nature itself, and in particular, birds. That's the name of our song. And I really value the freedom that they have to do what they want to do.
In any ways, I'm a music producer in Korea, Japan, and China. Well, Macau, because I'm here in Macau with Macau staff today. And here, today, I'm here to represent our new project, Birds. Let's go!
Head over the clouds 先做我遗忘了呼吸深呼吸你我飞冲天不要离开我的誓言的誓言你我飞破天突破两人中的空间
放开你所有
Get me alive
我们无法
会有尽头 Set me free 你我两个人不能缺一 Birds are singing loud Tell me if you see my eyes on you My eyes on you Head over the clouds 先做我遗忘了呼吸深呼吸
Yeah 想飞就飞吧 Don't stop, won't stop 继续飞吧往前看眼睛要盯着前面就是你的梦想飞得越高飞得越快太阳会跟着你shine Reach cloud 9 ahead of the curve Don't slow down, just fly like a bird
Please enjoy our song, Birds.
Woo!
你我飞破天突破两人中的空间的空间
We like birds in the sky now We high up in the sky now 不要往后看 now 时间是有限的创作自己的命运放走拖累的包袱 Hey you keep it alive